Okay, here's a quick tutorial on how to use HAR IDX for specific results such as a subdivision or zip code or anything of that nature. First thing I've done here is I've opened up Keller Williams, and I'm going to go into the eAgency back office. I've already got a page going in section 3.7, so I've just basically added a new page. Usually like to use layout number 4, filled in the usual information, given it a title, and then I've plugged in the framing code like we always do, and of course we'll replace the Google code with the HAR IDX. Next, I've logged into HAR, and we'll, as usual, go to Tools, and then we will come down to IDX Tools for your website. In this case, we'll come down to the All MLS Listings Home Finder like we would normally do, and we'll go ahead and either click on that or click Preview. Now let's say we're looking for something particular like Seabrook. In this case, I'm looking to buy or lease. I've chosen buy, and then we simply give it the criteria that we're after. Since Seabrook is a location, I can look it up as a location. Come down here to the S's, and there is Seabrook 83. Could have also done it by city. Obviously, this technique works if you're trying to build a landing page to show houses of various prices, you're trying to look for a city, a particular school district, anything at all. Once we tell it Seabrook, we go ahead and we do the search. In this case, we have at least 19 pages with 10 listings to a page. The key to this is that what we need for Keller is the URL code up here, but this code's not going to work as it stands right now. So the little trick is we simply go to the next page, either click Next or go to page 2. Once you do that, you're going to get the long code. This is the same type of code that you'd get through other IDX programs such as WolfNet. It's actually much longer than the URL box. Now what I want to do here is go to the previous page or page 1. Now we've got exactly what we want. The reason we went back to page 1 is because if I had used the other code, then the visitor would have entered the search on page 2. We want them to enter on page 1. By default, the listings will be in reverse order by the highest list price first. Now I simply click here, grab the entire URL, copy it. We'll go back to the page we are working on in KW, and I will substitute that code for this dummy Google code right here. I'll paste it. Again, this ought to look very familiar to you because it's a whole lot like other IDX programs would use. And now I have the code for what I want. If I hit the source button, I'll see a live preview in KW, and there you are. There's your Seabrook listings. At this point, I'll save it, and we are done. One more comment, as you've probably done before, right here next to the All MLS Listings Home Finder, you can set a customized header, and that header, in this case my name, will apply for any of these first 5 or 6 IDX codes. In this case, we're done. If you have any questions, give me a call at 281-703-0941. Thanks and good luck.